Transform your online store into a captivating 3D spectacle that will leave your customers mesmerized and boost your sales. Are you ready to move beyond flat, static product images and create an e-commerce experience that truly immerses your audience? Today, we're diving deep into how to craft stunning 3D e-commerce web design directly within Webflow, making your online store unforgettable. First, let's set up your Webflow project. Start with a blank canvas or adapt an existing e-commerce template. The key is to create a structured foundation for your product pages, sections for interaction, and areas where your 3D magic will unfold. Now, we'll prepare for our 3D integration. Think of it like preparing a stage for your star product. We'll add container elements, essentially boxes on your page, where we will later place our 3D models and interactive viewers. To bring 3D into Webflow, we'll leverage external embedding capabilities. This is where you'll connect your chosen 3D model viewer service. There are many fantastic platforms out there that make this process surprisingly straightforward, allowing you to embed interactive viewers with just a few clicks. You'll typically upload your 3D product models to these specialized platforms. They then provide you with a small snippet of code or a direct embed URL. This is the magic key that will unlock your 3D experience within Webflow. Back in Webflow, you'll add an embed element to the designated container we created earlier. Paste that embed code or URL into the embed element instantly. Your 3D model will appear on your Webflow page, ready for interaction. Next, we focus on presentation resize and position your embedded 3D viewer to flawlessly integrate with your design. Think about how it flows with your page layout, ensuring a consistent and professional look and feel. To elevate the experience further, layer in subtle animations. These could be gentle fades as the page loads, or playful movements of surrounding product information when a user interacts with the 3D model. These details create a premium, engaging shopping journey. And there you have it, a revolutionary 3D e-commerce experience built entirely within Webflow. By integrating interactive 3D models, you're not just showcasing products, you're inviting your customers to explore them like never before, setting your brand apart and driving sales.